Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see if you are using any Mojoomla product and you need to reset license from your staging site or local host to your production site. So the process is now automated. So let me show you how it's going to work and you can do it on yourself. You don't need to contact the support to reset the license. It's going to be a three-step process. Let me walk you through. The first step is to initiate the license reset process. You need to go to whatever software you have purchased. You need to go to license settings. From the left side menu, click on the reset now button on the register license page or go to reset license tab. And that's how you can initiate the reset license process. Now, once you land on the reset license page, it's going to ask you to enter purchase key and register email. So this is the step where you're going to reset the license. You're going to void the license so you can register a new domain. So let's just enter the email and we receive the OTP. Now enter the OTP so that now we have the license reset successfully. The third step is in enter new domain to register a purchase key onto your live website. So let's do that. So we have the domain name, we have added the purchase key or license key and email. So now we have successfully reset the license. So it's a simple three-step process. First, initiate license reset process, void the license in the existing domain as a step two. Step three, enter new domain with the purchase key to register a new license. I hope this video is helpful for your automatically resetting up the license. Thank you.